Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to know if your SSD is SATA or NVMe on Windows 11 or 10 using Task Manager. For this, first right click on this one taskbar and select here Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens up, switch to this one Performance tab. Then click on this one Disk. Then you will find SSD model on the top right corner. Note down this one model number like this. I have noted down earlier, and then copy this one model details, and now open Google Chrome browser or any browser and search for this one model. You should see like this. You can see in my screen. This one is NVMe SSD. Similarly, you can find your SSD details using Task Manager on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.